And then you can go on the deck and be like, oh, because I know this is my...
So let's get that black twine up.
7, thank you. 7, so then this one, and you can figure out from your steps.
Coming that way? Because, I mean, we could stop right here. So, Diaz. And go. So here we have the vegetation. As you can see, it's a 3D model. Makes it easy to see what's going to be out there.
I'm blah, I'm in charge of blah, and then I'll start with the orientation. So once I complete the orientation, you know, terrain, AO boundaries, north direction, all that, we're currently located here on Camp Fuji proper. It's quite complex, a lot of hilly and mountainous area. We'll start with Lieutenant Sherman, or I'll turn it over to Lieutenant Sherman, and he'll give the situation.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, general situation, we deployed to the island of Kyushu, right, which we'll cover in a moment, to Camp Fuji here. As we move from the tactical to the operational, we can expect that the enemy also has
08590. Say again. 54 Sierra.
Closely from the anthill over in the northeast. So the cabling being brought in.
The rest of the auxiliaries are going to maintain 360 security. So what that means is most likely we're going to pick up the 2 frontal 240s, and those are going to go with the dudes moving out, if that makes sense. And the rear will
help break down the aid station. Just take a note, however, if we have any casualty, training or exercise, all corpsmen will respond to this casualty.
Very muddy and restricted for vehicle movement. Off improved roads and major MSRs and ASRs. Just north, running east and west, just north of Camp Fuji, is ASR Michigan.
In our battle space, right over here, you've got South Korea that comes down, and then as was pointed out, this whole area represents the East China Sea, right? So this is where we are in space and time. East China Sea, China being off to the west, and then the lower Ryukyus, right, coming down as an island chain from Kyushu all the way down the East China Sea, right, and then you get down to the Philippines, down that way, right? So we're all oriented, we understand.
Suitable, the vegetation has grown 3 to 4 feet, a lot higher than what we thought, so we had to move. We did find another suitable location, approximately 3 kilometers to the west, located here. Its fuel team is going to be doing fuel operations at the vicinity of the UMA lot.
We know that there's a soft platoon in this area, right? This platoon, they have small arms, probably similar to our own. They've got light machine guns, and they've got 82mm mortars, right? So we can expect to take small arms attacks.
My name's Sergeant Haig. I'm with TRT 3rd MLG. What we have here today is a terrain model. We like to set these up to more easily visualize what's going to be out in the field when we get there. Obviously we have maps, but with this we can actually walk through our plan, and it's more easy for even the smallest level to visualize. Makes it easy for that PFC, that Lance Corporal, to really get a grasp on what's going on. So as you can see, we have our bivouac laid out. We have the friendly positions labeled. We have our alternate and tertiary routes labeled. And that's pretty much it for this one. This is just a bivouac, pretty simple stuff. This is one of the more important features of a terrain model. You have the contours in the earth. Rather than looking at a flat picture, you can actually see what's going to be out there. Same thing, we have the vegetation. This is a 3D representation of what we're going to see in our actual training area. So to wrap it up, this is a 3D representation of what we would be seeing on the map.